Hey, welcome to the training videos. In this video, we will be showing you how to log time and keep track of your progress on a project using Nimble's time tracking feature. If your template includes an option to log time in the to-dos of the work item or tasks in the task plans, then this video is for you. To start, time tracking allows you to log time spent on to-dos and tasks created in your project. If you have to-dos or tasks assigned to you in a project, then you can see them in the time tracking. Here, you will find a time sheet for the current week's work items across all projects by default. However, you can narrow down the time sheet by using the calendar widget and filtering the projects and work item types of your choice. For now, let's select the Ford R&D development project and select all options under work item types. As you can see, the filtered options are displayed at the top, and the time sheet reflects the filtered selections. Now let's see how to log time against the task or to-do. First, let's log the time against the task. For example, for Task 3 under Task Plan 1, simply double-click the time cell of the desired day. Enter the amount of time spent, let's say 4 hours, and hit Save to log your time against the task of a task plan. Next, to log the time against the to-do, for the to-do one, under UST 36, simply double-click the time cell of the desired day. Enter the amount of time spent, let's say 2 hours, and hit Save to log your time against the to-do of a work item. You can repeat this process for other tasks or to-dos as well. Additionally, you can always modify your logged time if necessary. Let's modify log time against the to-do one under User Story 27. If the to-do or task is completed, then set the status to completed here. Let's say this to-do one under UST 1 is completed. Select the status as completed, which indicates to the approver that the to-do is completed for a work item. Once you have finished adding or modifying time against the to-dos or tasks, click the Save and then the Route button. This will change the status of the project to routed, and the routed timesheet will move to the next stage of the timesheet process, which is the timesheet approval stage. This means your team lead or manager, who is set as your approver, can now approve your timesheet. Alternatively, you can log time against a to-do at the project level from the to-do screen of the work item by clicking on the time entry icon. There is much more. To log time against global work items, click More Options, select Add Global Work Item, and choose your desired work item. Let's select Meetings. Click on Add to save the changes. Then double-click the desired date on the timesheet and enter your time. Let's say 2 hours and save. We hope that this training video has given you a basic understanding of how to log time against to-dos and tasks using the time tracking feature. In the next part, we will cover the timesheet approval process. See you in the next part of the timesheet training video. Thank you.